Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this a small video at the end of the week. Basically, I made the video on Wednesday and sent out, right? And I had only three more trades today, and which are posted on the website. One was Euro Yen, the other one is Pound New Zealand, then New Zealand. Three trades only. So I'm making this video actually in a different way. I'm just trying to show that how important it is to watch these index charts. If you can pinpoint the direction in any of these index, then you have so many trades opportunities in your hand. Literally, it will be like a pick and choose situation. Like if you can find out that when the USD is going to move and in which direction, you have 7 USD pairs. They're all gonna move when the USD moves. Okay, if USD is getting strong, 4 pairs will be going down and 3 pairs will be going up. All right. Similarly, pound involved in several pairs. Yen is the one who's the most pairs we have, right? Maybe around 10, 11 pairs different. With almost every currency, yen has a pair, right? Starting with USD yen, Euro yen, pound yen, and Aussie yen, CAD yen, franc yen, everything, all those pairs. So they all move when the yen move. So here's the chart that I made in 16th February, and I sent out to, gave it to my subscribers. That this is what is happening here, and the next target I said, okay, next is 54.73. We break that to 52. If we hold 73, we bounce. But break, then next will be 52. And doing so, yen would be getting strong, sending most yen pairs down. I said most because what will happen is that some of the currency, for example, if yen is getting strong, and let's say euro also getting strong, then euro yen might not move or move very slowly. So we don't want that. We want something that if yen getting strong, you want the weakest currency against it. For example, pound was the weakest last week. So pound yen dropped big time, right? And that's what I was after, pound yen most of the time. Euro yen, few trades. Aussie yen, even though it dropped very nice, but I didn't trade because, enough is enough kind of thing. You can only, you have pick and choose situation, but you don't want to open 10 trades. That would be very hard to handle. So let me show you what happened to this, this chart. And then this is a weekly chart also. I made that, this is what's happening on a weekly basis. So we're going to drop. This is 54.73 and this is 52.52. So first here, break that. We go here and then there, step by step. And these are small numbers in the middle. So what happened? This. On the second, yesterday I made this chart. 54.73, we are here. So we really came down to the target, nice and clean. I think we dropped as low as 54.90. Okay, few pips shy. So, but all in all, yen index dropped as we were expecting, and yen got strong, and all the yen pair went down. You can go and take a look. But I'm going to show you a few which I used. For example, what I did, I made this chart Aussie yen as well, based on the same thing. It was here. No, it was actually, let me show you if I can. Wait, what happened here? Look. Okay, this is the chart I made, right? That this will, on the 19th, right? The yen index chart I made on 16th, 3 days later I made this one. The reason I'm showing to the upside is because Aussie index was sitting at that trend line and there was a good chance that it will bounce. And I thought if yen didn't do what I'm expecting, instead Aussie get strong, then we will see the upside. But the key line was 85.30 is the middle line. And if we drop, we're going to drop first to this area, 81.41, and then we break that, we're going to drop. Look what happened to this chart. Right there. We came exactly and touched this area here, and we just bounce a little bit, just our usual bounce. So we came down, and we had so many opportunities, so many entries. You can go and take a look on the chart that, whatever the system is. But I'm going to show you pound yen because that's what I Did. So pound yen chart was, for example, it was my weekly chart was this. Okay. On the 23rd, I made and I gave it to the subscriber that this is what it is. We break this 48.19 to the downside, and the TL we're gonna drop. The target would be 40 eventually, but we don't travel 800 pip in 1 or 2 days. You know, it's like every day you have a daily range. The pair travel that range, then a little bit of retracement for a couple of days, and then drop a little bit, then retracement, then drop a little bit, stuff like that. But what happened to this chart? That's the question. I have it up, but no. Okay, so let's go. So did I do any trade on this one? Let's take a look. This is a monthly chart. This is on the trade on the 26th February. Short. There was a level here. I forgot to write down when I'm in a hurry. But not many pip in this trade because it went up again to this high. Let me show you. Okay, this was the trade here, right? So it took my SL right around here and went up. And this is another level. I forgot to write, but the line is there. So I made an entry here. Then it dropped. It went up again. I made an entry here. These are two different entries here and here. And then it start to drop. It's on 28. Continue dropping. And finally, I close this. From top is 150 pip. And this is almost like maybe 135 or something, right? Two entries. So almost like 270 pip from this drop here. And then on the same day, it went up again and gave me an entry. And then again, it dropped. Watch. This is okay. This is an entry. Retracement wasn't all the way into the wave, but this level is huge. So 48.19 it went close, and then reversal candle one, and right after the reversal candle, I saw it's going down, and I opened the trade right there, my entry sell, and then came down to this area, 46.95, very nice area. And I closed it because I said, enough is enough, and really is enough is enough. And then actually it went down more. And what happened to the chart? Finally, it's not here. Why it's not here? Let me just, I have GJ and I have GJ, this one, maybe this one. No, not this one. It's not showing here. What happened, man? I copied the chart. Okay, so this, you can see the final GJ weekly chart, what really happened to it. It went down, and I made this channel, remember? And then it came and hit this channel exactly where I said it was going to hit. And it is just above this level, actually below this level, 44.75. It went down to 44.50, I guess. All right. And bouncing a little bit, and then we have to watch this 46.94 and for another drop here. So this is how with the help of index, you have several pairs, pick and choose, and this Magic IB system gives you solid entries, like beautiful entries. I mean, there's no hanky-panky here, no a lot of noise, big wicks up and down, and every 5 minutes you have a candle printing, some big, some small, don't know what to do. But this is precise. You can, draw the fib here. This is exactly 78% retracement. Each and every candle is the same size. You don't have your heartbeat going up or down. Nice blue candles going up. You wait for the reversal candle and a couple of red candles and open the trade. Simple as that. Nicely blue candle going up. This is a 68% retracement. This is a 78%, this is 61.8 retracement. So fib working, and not a lot of noise here, and very, very precise entries. And look at these entries. At the time of the entries, your indicator is beautifully all the way to the upside, turning to the downside, and this is like a confirmation that go ahead, man, open the trade. Similarly here, even though the retracement of the wave, I mean the price candles were not all the way inside here. I was expecting that maybe it will go at least touch this 48.19 and the yellow line. But, the indicator was up, and the pressure was so much that, as soon as the reversal candle, I said, it's going down. Even though if it doesn't, and then it goes back up a little bit more right here against me, maybe 20 pip, 25 pip, I will hold on to it. Because once you know that what's happening, pound is getting weaker, or yen is getting strong, and you have all day left, few more hours into the day when the volume time is. By the way, this market is 24-hour open, but you cannot trade 24-hour. All right, a certain time when the volume comes, when the smart money comes into the market, then you trade. You follow the chart. We follow the PA and make an entry. And then if you make an entry with the low volume time, the chances are that you will face a nasty range, and then it will just keep hitting your SL. So that's one thing. Another pair that I wanted to show you that, like yen index chart says what? All yen pair is going to drop. So what about this one? Let me show you this one. My chart was, don't worry about those white charts, because I make them white so that I can print them out and then put them on the wall. Otherwise, if I print the blue one, that my color cartridge goes fast. So I turned that into white. Okay, anyway, so it was also, but this is the main chart. Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, and I said, continue down. We need to come here for wave 4, and then we will go up for wave 5. We will go up later, but right now yen is getting strong, and we need here. And this is the chart that is telling me that later in the future, the yen is going to get weaker again. Maybe Bank of Japan comes, intervention thing, because they don't like when yen gets strong. So they want yen weaker for the exports. So maybe once we get here, we will see some yen weakening and then bounce from there. But for now, this is what it is. And what did I do with that? This is a monthly chart. And then look, here, the first trade on the 22nd coming down. Then again, we had this entry here. So I took it on the 27th, just below 32.22 level. And then another one on the 2nd, Friday. Well, actually, I closed it on Friday, but it is from Thursday, March 1st, you can see. And then I closed it on March 2nd. So the entry was done on March 1st. So you see, and I could have done, New Zealand, it dropped big time. CAD yen dropped big time. And then entries everywhere. You will see entries everywhere. Right? This is how it is. It's easy. It's just a matter of understanding it and learning it. That's why I do the webinar, live webinar, and I teach this there. That give you the system, the indicators, everything, all 9 yards. The alarm for the setup. When the setup is built, the alarm start beeping, and I teach you. And then every day, the pair travels in a certain way and in a certain amount. Every pair has a daily range. It's not like they move all the time. They move only in the specific timings, the volume time, and the specific amount of pippage. Every pair, some has a bigger daily range, some have smaller daily range. So you need to know all of that. So I do webinar on Wednesday and Sunday. Sometimes Sunday moves like a Saturday or Monday morning, depend on if I have an event. On Sunday, I want to watch the event first and then do the webinar. God knows what they're going to do in the event. Somebody's coming and talking, maybe, Kuruda from Japan, or, Draghi, and come and talk, and they move the market, right? So I want to, hear them first. So Sunday webinar, I move sometimes, either Saturday or most of the times like Monday morning. But usual times are Wednesday and Sunday, 4 p.m., right? Where I give you the chart, the setup, and what to do. Online yard, and you take Monday and Tuesday we trade, and then Wednesday I cover up again that what happened on Monday and Tuesday and what to expect for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. All right, so this is how we do here. So if you like what you see, you can go on the website and subscribe there. And today is Saturday. You have Saturday and Sunday. Set up your charts and start trading from Monday. Okay. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.